Hey guys, what's up? This is Wali from bestbloggerkp.com and you are learning PHP advanced project and CMS system. Friends, in previous video we created we inserted some data using this form and data was inserted into this our table, in the post table inside our database. We can write some more some more good post. For example, like I said that news for Malala Yousafzai. Yeah, of course, this is author is Aisha this time, and also the keywords Malala news, Malala Malala recent, Malala, just that is okay. And come here, choose a file from the folder that we have inside our download folders, and here is the Malala folder. Just I would say this is like this picture. Yeah, I opened it, and now I need to insert some demi text here, some demi text, because I can't write long I can't write long articles here because the time is very less, and where we are just website is there for demi text, and we will just copy some text from here. This text I will just copy, Control C, and we'll paste it here. Now just publish now. So it has not yet published. Just check what is the problem. Okay, this is not this was not published. I think there is some problem inside our the image was however uploaded here. You can see here is the image, but the data was not inserted into our database. We need to check what is the problem. Again, I would just paste that and just, oh my god, something is missing there. Just Aisha, and this is the Malala news, and here we go, the picture, for example the same picture here, this one. Hey, this is Malala. Just publish now, and post has been published, it is saying. I think the copy paste was creating problem. Now you can see there are another data inserted. Once again we need to insert some one more post. For example, I say that Malala is a baby girl. Yeah, and post author will be Wali Khan, and keywords Malala baby, Malala girl, Malala school, and choose picture here. Just I need to say this picture. Yeah, of course. Now this is one more post about Malala Yousafzai, which who is a very talented girl in the world. She is very genius and nice girl. That's it. Publish now, and this post was also published. Now browse here, you can see four records are here. So that's it. It means we are just inserting the data here, and the images are coming here to our folder. You can see this is the image, that is the image. Now we need to show this data on our home page of this website. So it's really simple. We want to show this post here inside our body, post body, or you can say the main content area. So let's just come to that page, the page, for example, open that page, not the index page because we already have included that. And this page will be inside Malala folder, and here is a folder includes, and inside that here is the main content area. Double click that. This is the page where we will be where actually can insert the data from the database. The first thing is just start PHP block here and just I'm really sorry. Now come here and first of all include the database, because you are call the database by include by using this include command, because you are just retrieving or calling the data from the database. Now just say connect.php, because you can see this is the connect.php page inside which we have established a connection for the database. Control S to save. And now come here and say that select underscore post. This is a variable, inside we will save a query, MySQL query. Here select, this is a select query. Select in the static sign is used for all. Select all records from posts, okay, post, and we say that okay, let's just select all post. After it I will just give some limitation to this. So now we have we have this simple variable this local variable. Inside that we have saved the SQL query, MySQL query. So now we are creating another variable with the name run, which will be is equal to MySQL underscore query, and in single parenthesis we will write that this is the query that should be select posts, and this name will also be post. So we say that this is the query select post, which should be run, by this command, the PHP default command, and that is we are saving here inside this local variable. Its name can be given like this, run posts. Yeah, so now we just need to run a while loop, inside which we will create a row variable, a local variable, and after that MySQL fetch array. This is the default array function in which we are going to make an array of run underscore posts query. This query will be now an array. It will be saved inside an array of MySQL. This is default function MySQL fetch array, in which we can fetch we can make an array of a variable or of a query. So this time we are just targeting this query which is saved here, and we are saving that is in array and also in this local variable. So now we can retrieve the data one by one from the table here, because we have made this an array of this one single row. So we can now retrieve the data from one by one from the fields. So here you are just create now more variables, local variables. For example, title will be is equal to row, inside this parenthesis. Now this time you are calling the data, so these two parentheses are here. Just you need to write post title, yeah, post. Also before this we need to say that post underscore ID. This should also be post title like this, and equal to, it will be equal to row and the post ID, because we may need post ID as well. So here we are saying that post ID. What we are doing basically, let me complete this, then I will tell you what we have done. 3, 4, 5, all the data we need. For example, we need the post date. We are saving that inside this variable post date. The first is title, and after that this is the author, and author, for author we are creating this variable author, and here is the image, and we are saying that post image should come here. After that we have there are some keywords, and these variables are user defined. You can give any name, but just I'm for simplifying the process, I just say that this is the post keywords. So one more, I pasted one more time. This is the content of the post. Oh my god, content, and here is this content. Yeah, so control is to save. Now come here, check this, all are okay or not. The fields: post ID, post title, post date, post author, post image, post keywords, post content. I think these are absolutely okay. Now you have retrieved the data from the database. Now you can show this data inside this due tag here. For example, you said that for example you said in an h1 tag, okay, or h2, you want to show the title. So just say PHP echo, okay, what should be echoed? That post underscore title, okay, that's really simple, and h2 close. So this is what you did. This is actually you echoed that data which you received from the database. So basically I was telling you that the while loop we use to repeat the data again and again, and to how many posts you have all will be coming and repeating again and again by while loops, because it repeats the data itself. And we just said that this is a row, table row here like this one, and we said that just select, sorry, we said that from the row from which is a table row, from there just call or add post ID, which is this field here, this one. We just said that call that or retrieve that from the table and save in this local variable post underscore ID. And after that we said that inside the row, in this row, there is a post title field from which the data, transfer the data or the value to this variable. And similar like that, we just said that post date is also saved there, post author, post image, post keywords, and post content, etc. That is done. Now we echoed this title here, okay. Control S to save. Now come here and refresh your this home page, but there will be an error, I am saying in advance. Refresh. Now here are many errors. You can see that it is saying that connect.php is not there, and there is some other many problems. So okay, I know there are problems. Now come here, first of all say select from post. Okay, first thing is first, which is the error inside this include function, because we didn't add the folder, includes inside that folder, includes folder, there is a connect.php file. We didn't add this folder before. So now come here, refresh. So I think something is already missing here. Includes PHP. So select all from posts. Includes connect. This connect file is here. Oh, I'm really sorry. This file is not here inside this include folder, because you can see here isn't any file that was created for administration. So we just need to copy this from the administration and just come here and just put it here, paste here. Now come here to your file and refresh it. Yeah, Malala is a baby girl. So this is one time it just retrieve the data one time from this script. You can see here main content one time, but we need again and again all of them. So therefore, because again and again we need to retrieve all the data, this is just one post and we have inserted 4 posts. So therefore we will need to just remove this bracket, this curly bracket of while loop. We will just remove it from here and we will close it after the due tag here, just like this, PHP, and just insert the curly brackets and now close the PHP code. Now come here, refresh the page, and I'm really sorry there is no effect here, but unfortunately we have done some mistake here. Just uh, cut and paste it here, because actually we should be working inside the due tag. We inserted that outside the due tag, therefore that was creating problem. Now you can see there are four titles. For example, you can see here inside our database, Malala is a brave girl, Malala is a beautiful baby, news for Malala Yousafzai, and Malala is a baby girl. So you can see these four titles are coming on this page, on this content page, and you can see these are actually inside h2 tag here. So data is repeating again and again by using this while loop. And before that the error was because we didn't add this connect.php file to our main folder, for example to our main folder, this where we saved earlier the header PHP, main content.php, neobar.php pages, etc. We didn't add that connect.php here because before we use that in the admin includes, because we are creating a complete website in CMS system, therefore we have an admin folder, images folder, includes folder for this main Malala project, and also an includes folder for admin for admin panel as well. So now things are pretty much simple now. We have retrieved the data and all the data are here in the local variables. Now we can easily show them. Just come here and show another thing. This is the title of the page, and now you want to show the date. So here it is. Just say inside a paragraph that in paragraph align should be left. By default it is left, but just I'm making sure it, and say that published on, just then here insert a B tag for bold, and now inside here echo using PHP echo the date, which is inside the date variable here, post underscore date. That's it. So just I will close the B tag and also paragraph tag, Control S to save. Now we have echoed this date here. Now I have saved, Control S to save. Now refresh this page, you will see the date after every title. Refresh it, you can see this was published on this date, this was published on this date, and this was published on this date. All of the dates are here. Actually we in insert.php we have given I think a wrong type, day, month and year. No, we should add the month first and after that D. Yes, this will be working later on. So I have saved it. In coming post the date will be okay, but for now this is like this. Okay, now we need to insert the content here. Okay, come again to main content page and just here inside a paragraph tag. Okay, the author. Now the author, because we need to now specify the author. Who was the author? So first thing is first paragraph. Inside paragraph just say align, paragraphs align should be right this time. Okay, then say posted by B tag and posted by, then PHP echo post underscore author, and close the PHP, also BR, and then sorry BR not B, and then paragraph. So Control S to save. Now come here, refresh this page. Very simple. So here you can see posted by Wali, posted by Wali, posted by Aisha. One post was by Aisha. So content is coming on this page, and now that's okay. Now just come here and say, let's say the content. So for content, just a paragraph and align is equal to justify, and then say PHP echo post underscore content. This is the variable inside which we have retrieved, or the data is coming from the database here. in this local variable. So that's it. Control S to save. Now come here, the content will come of post. So here is this, here is the content for this post, here is this and everything are coming here. Now we actually had given fixed height to this content area and as well as this sidebar. Now we need to remove that fixed height, because the data is coming in, if data is more than this height, then the data will be going here and there. So therefore as far as the data is coming, we need to have an unlimited or a free height. So therefore come here, open your style sheet file which is in the Malala folder, style.css, and just remove the height from the main content. Yeah, here is the height. We had given this just for for testing purpose. Now we have removed because we have data more than that space. Refresh it. Now you can see here is the data coming toward this page. Now we have retrieved all the things you can see on the main content. We don't need this keywords variable here, because keywords are just for search engines, for search engine purpose, not for this. So data is coming, everything is working fine. Now the important thing is to show the exact image which was inserted into database with this all posts. So that image should be also coming on this page. Okay, so that image and also the rest of the things will be taught to you in my upcoming tutorial. Stay tuned.